Hey guys, welcome to CoET. In this video, we will discuss about HTML progress tag. HTML progress tag is used to represent the progress of a task or a completion percentage. That is, if you are building a website and you need to show the percentage of certain tags or certain level that you have learned, certain language, you use the HTML progress tag. It provides an easy way for web developers to create progress bar on the website. It is mostly used to show the progress of a file uploaded on the web page. Sometimes you go to a website and you are uploading your file or image or whatever, and you see that progress telling you, indicating that, oh yes, your task has been completed or your file upload has been completed at certain percentage. That is the HTML progress tag. And there are two main attributes of the HTML progress tag. We have the value, which specifies the current progress value. That is the value that, or how far you have gone or how far you have progressed. And the max value, which specifies the maximum value of the progress. It defines the range within which the progress value can vary. So that is the maximum value. If the task is supposed to be completed at 100%, the max value will be the 100%. And as you can see, this is the HTML progress tag. As you can see, this is the HTML progress tag. This is how the progress tag looks. So now let's go into our code editor and create a file called HTML progress tag.html. So you know that we have to name it .html because we are using HTML. So now let's get the HTML. In our title section, we put HTML progress tag. Okay, we put HTML progress tag as our title. In the body section, we have h1, and we can say progress tag. So let's save this and progress tag. So we just needed to get this basic information progress tag. So now let's go into our code editor and learn about the progress tag. So the first thing, before writing the HTML progress tag, we need a label. So for progress, tag, and the label is loading here. We need it for loading. And the next one is the progress tag. We need the progress tag. In this progress tag, like I said, it has basic two attributes. But before, let's put the ID, and which the ID should be the name of the string you have within the for. The for within the label. Yes, the for within the label, the name that we have within the for in the label. Yes, that's what you use as the ID. So we have progress tag. So the basic two attributes of the HTML progress tag. But firstly, let's save this and check into our browser and refresh. So as you can see, we have the loading in this progress tag loading, right? Like because we have not specified it, that's the reason you see the blue line going up and forth, and it is doing like infinity. So now let's come into our code editor and specify what we want. So the first thing we need is we need the value, or let's just say the max. The max is 100. We need it at 100. And how far we have completed, right? How far we have completed is the value. The value we have completed like 40, right? So we save this and check into our browser and refresh. So as you can see, The the blue represents the value, like how far we have completed the task. So the entire barrier is 100%, and how far we have completed it 40%. So it is 40% of the entire bar. So the blue is at 40%. So for example, now if we increase the blue to the value to 80%, we say if we apply the 80%, this is how it will look. So like the blue represents the value. So the value we have completed the task is 80% out of the 100% tax that we have. As you can see, so the value is 80 and the maximum value here is 100. So that means 80% of the 100% has been completed. So that's how you use the HTML progress bar. So another way we could use the HTML progress bar is maybe it's either we do it like this. Maybe we could have maybe if you wanted to keep loading, you could use the progress. If you wanted to keep loading, you use the progress star like this without value. So that means you have the progress bar and it will keep loading, have that infinite loading. If you want it to be in that infinite loading form, you just use the progress star without value. So if you use the progress star without value, automatically it will keep loading like that infinite loading. So that's how you use the progress star. So that's it, guys. This is the HTML progress tag. I know it's a short video, but it has a lot to learn. So you can use the HTML progress tag to show the completion of tags and show the completion of some things that you want the user to see. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep following us for more amazing videos like this.